Hello and welcome to Craft Divas. So today we are going to make this Minnie Mouse. So basically what we're doing is just doing tracing. So you want to do, I have the business edition. I'm pretty sure you can trace in other editions as well. So give it a whirl, definitely. So the first thing you want to do is grab something off Google. And it just really depends on what you grab because different things are, all pictures can't be done. So I'm going to grab this and I'm going to grab another one just to show you guys something. Copy. Alright, so let's start with this one first. Oh, I don't want to do that one. Sometimes the one with the black backgrounds is hard to do. It gives you a hard time. Oh, thank you. Alright, so let's see. Alright, so first thing you want to do is you want to go to your trace panel and trace. So we need to trace, oh girl, here. And you want everything that you want trace to be yellow. So I'm going to go up on the threshold. Uh, Alright, that's a little fuzzy wuzzy. So I'm going to go down a little bit. Okay. And I'm going to trace and detach because I want to take that background off of there. Now, I can definitely tell already that this is not going to be a good picture because just from doing that, I still have these little holes in here. But let's take a look and see. So let me go ahead and remove this. And I like to highlight it so I can remove all access stuff as well. But then I need to go back and trace it again. Now I just want to trace and I need to find a way what I have just everything I want highlighted. Let's try this out. So this is not bad, but it's still not good because you can see like her dress. It don't have that in there, so it's not gonna let you change the colors between the dress, the shoes. Like it still has a lot missing. So this picture would not be a good picture at all to use. Um, so with this picture, we're gonna do the same thing. Go to trace it, and that's good because everything is basically in yellow that I want. So I'm going to trace and detach. And then I am going to go again and trace it. And this time she has a bow. So I want the bow to be seen too. So if I go up, all it's going to do is make everything more yellow. So I'm going to have to go down. So there you go. I went down and now I can see that the bow is separate from her ears. So that's actually great. Now I'm going to go to trace. And remove this. So here we go. We have her right here. Now you want to right click and go to release compound path. That separates all the pieces so you can color it. So let's go ahead and click on the main parts and let's go ahead and get this all done. And let me, okay, there you go. So that's going to be black. Alright, so let's go ahead and I'm going to zoom in a little bit so we can do this. So I'm going to select, deselect, and then select her bow. And I'm going to hit shift. shift and try to get all the pieces that I want. Alright, I'm going to send this to the back. And let's see if it'll let me. But you have to make sure you're basically on the red line in order to grab what you need. See? So even if you gotta zoom in a little bit more, you might have to do that. Come on. All right. So let me do them separately because it's gonna give me a hassle. So bring that part, and that's gonna be yellow. And do this one, and let's do this is pink. Yeah, because the other bowl was another color, I believe. Come on. There we go. Now, let me see if I can grab this. Oh, there you go. Grabbed it, and I'm going to group it together. Oof. And make sure the outline is pink. And let me go back to this yellow part because I want to make sure that I did that outline is yellow. Great. So we got that all set. So let me go ahead and grab in these eyes here. So this is her face. So her face, let's say if I don't, oh, I can change it to whatever color I want. Alright. Nose. The mouth is, it's not the mouth. Let's do the tongue. I have to zoom in a little bit more. Alright, I think that's it. Yeah, there we go. You can kind of tell a little bit like what you need to grab. Alright, so let me try to get both eyes. There you go. That's the one I want to grab. Alright, so that's part of the face also. So I'm going to go ahead and do that part. And this is actually part of the face. So I'm not going to fight this. So I'm just going to go ahead and just do it individually. But you would try to select both and then group them together. For the sake of not having a video 10 years long, I'm not going to do that. So I can just show you guys how this works. And there you go. That's the original. That's one I did previously. And this is the one I have now. Yeah. And you can change this up to, oh yeah, you see somebody walking around with a pink face. Hey, might want to ask them if they're alright. Let's see. It seems like it wants to let me. Oh, grab it now. And let me go ahead and group that together while I have it. And I think I did. Okay, we'll change the color. So there we go. And grab that and group all that together. So now it's one face. So if I go change it, everything's done at one time. So that's good. And I already have that. So there you go. It's easy peasy. It's so easy to do. Yeah. And let me grab the mouth and shift in the nose and shift in that and group those together. And well, maybe not. So I'm not gonna group those together. Because all it did is made it exactly with the background. And yeah, we don't want to do that. We want to leave this as is. But I might can just do the mouth and the nose. And maybe not. Yep, maybe not. Maybe not. Hey, we're just trying things out, seeing how it works. But anyways, that's what we have. So, um, again, every picture does not work, so don't get discouraged if you try. You do have to play around with them to see, like, which one works for you to be able to, take the background off or to recolor and things like that. Um, and once you get the hang of it, and you can't just look at a picture and be like, oh, yeah, that's going to work. No, you actually have to kind of test it out a little bit and see if it works. And I hope it does works for you guys. So go ahead and give this a whirl and have fun. And it was great showing you guys what I have learned. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and have a wonderful day. Bye, divas.